Okay, let me tell you guys that Zach just called me into the bathroom. He was in the shower and told me to get ready. And I'm like, what are you talking about? So he made me an appointment to get my hair done. And it's a surprise. And I have to be ready in like 20 minutes. So I guess dirty hair is fine. So I'm gonna take a shower and get dressed and go get my hair done. So, all right guys, here's my hair. Let me know what you think. I didn't know it was gonna be so short, but I actually kind of like it because then I can let it grow out for a while. Still got a little natural in the top. That way it'll grow out gracefully. Let's just see if I can actually style it like this. What do you guys think? So this was my birthday present from Zach. Got my hair done. I like it. I feel like I need another color on. And I can't wait to do my makeup. And I tried to film a quick little like reel transition with my hair before I left, so that hopefully I can do like a little Instagram reel, like the color change. But I'm excited. I hope you guys like it. I got a package from Shein. What you doing, babe? Very oddly, we got home and there was a package from Ulta, but I didn't place an order. What'd you get?
Nothing. It was the wrong delivery. Packing material.
Hey, you gotta take it back?
Yep, totally. 100%.
Oh. Okay, I got more funky earrings. These are little clouds. That's gonna look cute. Oh, these are so wild looking, but these are so pretty. They're birds. Oh, I'll put these in my Black Friday haul too, because these are just, it's just like a little quick view. More clouds. Did I say quick view? Ooh, these are gonna be so pretty with blonde hair. I also got these. Look at these. They're like little heart lollipops. I got headbands. This one's got little antlers. Look at these little cassettes. Also got blue and pizzas. I can't wait. I need to film more Instagram stuff. Little, what are those called? These furry cat ears. This is so silly, but it's so cute. And then these are just like furry little plain headbands. Okay, this is gonna be the shortest vlog ever, but check out my dinner. I'm super excited. I have not eaten today and it's already 7 o'clock. So I got vegetable lo mein and black pepper chicken. I'm so excited. Oh, and I have a couple egg rolls too. So there's plenty, like this is leftover for tomorrow and I can't wait. Baby corn. Baby corn is my favorite. Oh, I feel like I'm in a cooking video. Baby corn. Ooh. Juicy. Okay. Time to eat dinner. Hey guys, so it is almost 2 o'clock in the morning. I may have taken a brief nap on the couch. So I need to do some skincare though. My skin is breaking out and I have sunscreen and all that on. So I'm using some of this Tula Keep It Clear Acne Foam. I'm breaking out a lot. All I did was skincare before I went to my appointment, so I'm going really simple. I'm just going to massage it in and rinse it off. Nothing crazy tonight. And I'm just going to spritz some Kopari Coconut Rose Toner. Spray toner, love that. It smells really good too. It's like ever so slightly rose and ever so slightly coconut. It's so soft a scent, but it smells really good. I think that my hair being this color makes me look even paler than before. Now I'm taking Cinderella A+. This is their high dose retinoid. Always try to remember to do a retinol at night. I don't necessarily every night, but most nights I use a retinol. And if you guys don't know, retinol is one of the very few skincare ingredients that is actually proven to help with fine lines and wrinkles. It helps with other things too, but I think that's very few things are actually proven. Filorga, this is Optimize. I feel like this Vlogmas day is gonna be so short when I edit it tomorrow, but if you guys did not see yesterday's upload, it was Vlogmas day 4, and it was our wind down as well, our weekly wind down, but it had to go up really late. I did not know about my hair appointment, and I had barely done any editing. I was like, you know, kind of like getting ready to do my editing when he was like, hey, you need to get ready to go. I'm like, what? So I didn't get a lot of editing done until later, and my Vlogmas didn't go up until after 11. It took forever to process. It was so annoying because I was just like, come on, I'm just trying to get this video up. I'm gonna go for the Algenist Genius Sleeping Collagen. I love Algenist products, so I don't want to sound like negative, but just know that collagen can't really penetrate the skin that much. There's other good ingredients in this sleeping collagen, but as far as like actual collagen on the surface, it really can't do a lot. Like collagen supplements are really what helps more with your skin if you're looking for that. But yeah, like surface application of collagen isn't really proven to do much of anything, just so you guys know. I love this product still, but it's just one of those things, you know, a lot of skincare is, they're kind of able to say whatever they want, because there's not a lot of regulation of skincare, so I try to give you guys like as much info as possible. I wasn't really planning on going to like in-depth like skincare routine, but I would always recommend for daytime moisture, vitamin C, sunscreen, and for nighttime, moisture and retinol. And you can also pair your vitamin C and your retinol together. They actually like help each other work better, but those are the main ingredients, and a really good cleansing routine and lots of moisture. Even if you're oily, hydrate your skin. And this just makes my skin feel like juicy, plump, and my skin will look great in the morning too. So I hope you guys have enjoyed Vlogmas day 5. New hair. I haven't styled it myself yet, and the curls kind of fell out some. Shoot, I forgot my grande lash. I opened a new tube and replaced my old one. So when I'm putting on grande lash, all I do is one little line, flip the brush, and do one little line. And if there's any excess left over, I'll like, you know, make sure I've got it, but I do not dip in a second time. And I've even been known to go boop boop just on the outside of my lower lash line, and then when you use grande brow, I'm like right through here. I do have hairs there, I swear, but it's just like 1, 2, 3. But grande brow has helped a lot. Like it actually does help them grow, but mine are just so, I'm so bald in that area that's not natural. I'm so not used to this length. Like my little ponytail, because you guys know I wear a ponytail a lot. My little ponytail, and it like won't even hold everything up. But it's good. My hair really, really needed a cut, so there you go. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas day 5. Tomorrow, I honestly don't know what I'm gonna do. No, I do know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a declutter tomorrow, so be on the lookout for that. That's what I'm going to film and get ready for you guys. That'll be your Vlogmas day 6. Be on the lookout for so much more. If you're curious, you're gonna see a declutter, and then you are going to see a shop with me TJ Maxx challenge, $50. Like what can I get with $50? That's amazing. And then I also have more declutters coming, definitely a Black Friday, Cyber Monday haul once all my packages start coming in. All of mine are like delayed right now. I was supposed to get like 5 packages today and I only got 1. Or like everything's a day off, I should say, because I was supposed to get 1 yesterday. I got 1 today. I was supposed to get 4 or 5 today, and I didn't get but the 1 from yesterday. Damn, I'm rambling. Okay, I'm going to bed because I've already slept a little bit. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Say bye.